Hi friends, today we're going to do an abstract with a little different techniques. As you can see, I've got more liquefied acrylic paint. I've added some white to the canvas and then rolled it out. Next we start with the cadmium orange. We're going to pour this out. And we got some neon green and a little bit of aqua. And I'm using a squeegee here, something a little bit different. Not really sure if I like this technique here with the squeegee, but we'll see how it works out. Switched over to the multi-angled palette knife. Putting down a little bit of violet. I hope everyone's having a good day today. If you like the video, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you subscribe. Click the bell notification if you'd like to see future videos. Here we've got the palette knife. We're spreading some of the violet around. It's starting to come together. We'll add a little bit more of this cadmium orange, kind of intensify that band right there. Yeah. This drip style painting is a little bit different for me. It's seems to be the more modern style of painting these days. Here we're adding some yellow to intensify that light band beneath, and just spreading it out with a little palette knife. Put a little more violet on there. I like flipping the paint, watching it splatter. Like that lime green I just splattered across there. Makes a neat effect to give you those thin bands of color. I just dribbled some black on the outer rim of the canvas. Not sure if I'm liking that, but we'll see how it works out. A little hair dryer action here to move the paint around a little bit. Kind of get some blends. You can see the aqua there is blended in with the yellow to the left there, and down at the bottom to the right. Starting out, I like the mood of this painting. It has a fresh vibe to it, very cheerful, with some real emotional color with that violet in there. Strong emotion. Be sure to leave a comment. I'd appreciate knowing how you guys feel about these new techniques I'm using. Um, Let me know whether you like it or if you dislike it. Either way, I'm interested to find out. I'm really noticing the colors are starting to pop on this. It's really turning out really well, I think. Sometimes I wonder if I'm using too many colors, but I think I like to use as many colors as I possibly can. I probably, if I could, I'd use all the colors on the color spectrum or color wheel and try to work out a composition that works well with, with all those colors and try to get them to work well together. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like, subscribe, and the bell notification for future videos. Thanks again, and peace out.